To install NPM Nodejs in Visual Studio Code, start by opening the terminal and typing npm install to check if it's already installed. If an error occurs, it likely means NPM is not installed. To confirm, type npm v and press enter. If an error still appears, it's time to install Nodejs. Begin the installation by going to the Nodejs website, node.js.org, and navigating to the Downloads tab. Click on the Pre-built Installer option, which is the easiest way to install Nodejs. Then, select the correct version for your operating system. For most users, this will be the 64-bit version. Once the download is complete, click on the file to open the Setup wizard, which will guide you through the installation process. Click Next and agree to the license agreement, leaving the default settings as they are. The installation will take a few seconds to complete. After the installation is finished, click Finish and reopen Visual Studio Code to ensure the changes take effect. To verify that Nodejs is installed, open a new terminal and type npm install. If you receive an error stating that running scripts is disabled on the system, you'll need to change the execution policy. To do this, type get execution policy and press enter. If the policy is restricted, you'll need to change it to remote signed. Type set execution policy scope current user remote signed and press enter. This will update the execution policy, allowing you to use Nodejs as normal. Finally, type npm v to check the version of Nodejs installed on your system. If the version is displayed, the installation was successful. With Nodejs installed, you can now use it in Visual Studio Code.